हिमाचल प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश का पदभार ग्रहण करने के बाद न्यायाधीश मोहम्मद रफीक ने अपने संबोधन में हिमाचल हाईकोर्ट के ऐतिहासिक महत्व पर प्रकाश डाला और कहा कि लोकतंत्र के 3 स्तंभों में न्यायपालिका की अहम भूमिका है। हर व्यक्ति को न्याय मिले, इसके लिए न्याय व्यवस्था को काम करना चाहिए।
A very good morning to all of you. I am deeply touched and very much overwhelmed by the sentiments expressed and words of appreciation spoken about me by all of you. Even though I may not really deserve all such accolades bestowed upon me, nonetheless I accept them with great humility. Your words will always remain etched on my heart and will give me strength to discharge the onerous responsibilities as the Chief Justice of this August High Court. History reveals that prior to independence, India had different systems of judicial administration, and in most of the princely states, this responsibility used to be undertaken by the rulers themselves. Himachal Pradesh was formed as a result of integration of 26 Shimla and 4 Punjab hill states into centrally administered area on 15th April 1948. Subsequently, on 1st April 1954, certain parts of Bilaspur were also merged with Himachal Pradesh. The central government, by promulgation of Himachal Pradesh Court Orders 1948, on 15th August 1948, established the Court of Judicial Commissioner, which was housed at Harrington in Culliston area of Shimla. Later on, the Delhi High Court Act was enacted with effect from 1st of May 1967. The central government extended the operation of this Act to the Union Territory of Himachal Pradesh and established Himachal Bench of Delhi High Court at Shimla. On attaining the full statehood in the year 1971, State of Himachal Pradesh established its own High Court with headquarters at Ravenscourt, Shimla, which is the present High Court premises, with Mr. Justice M.H. Beg as its first Chief Justice and Mr. Justice D.B. Lal and Mr. Justice C.R. Thakur as puisne judges. The hilly state of Himachal Pradesh is known for its abundant natural beauty and is also called Devbhumi or land of gods. The people of this state are honest, simple and peace-loving. I am extremely happy on assuming the charge as the 26th Chief Justice of this prestigious High Court of Himachal Pradesh. This High Court has produced many eminent jurists like Justice M.H. Beg, Justice R.S. Pathak, Justice N.M. Kasliwal, Justice S.N. Fukan, Justice M. Srinivasan, Justice D. Raju, Justice C.K. Thakkar, Justice Kurian Joseph, who were Chief Justices here and later on adorned the bench of the Supreme Court. Justice K.M. Khanvilkar and Justice Suryakant and Justice V. Ramasubramanian also occupied the office of the Chief Justice of this court, who are presently judges of the Supreme Court. Justice M.H. Beg and Justice R.S. Pathak amongst them had the distinction of becoming Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. Justice R.S. Pathak also later served as a judge of the International Court of Justice at Hague. Justice Leela Seth, the Chief Justice of this High Court, earned the rare distinction of being the first women Chief Justice of any High Court in the country. Justice Lokeshwar Prasad Panta and Justice Deepak Gupta, who is present amongst us today, from this High Court also rose to be the judges of the Supreme Court, even though hardly a match to any one of them. But I feel humbled at the very thought of occupying the position of the Chief Justice of this prestigious High Court, once held by such legal luminaries and stalwarts who touched the highest peak of their judicial career.
बता दें, न्यायाधीश मोहम्मद रफीक का जन्म 25 मई 1960 राजस्थान में हुआ। न्यायाधीश मोहम्मद रफीक ने जयपुर यूनिवर्सिटी से वकालत की डिग्री प्राप्त कर राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट में वकालत शुरू की। 15 मई 2006 को उन्हें राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट में जज नियुक्त किया गया। 2 मर्तबा रफीक राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट के कार्यवाहक मुख्य न्यायाधीश भी रहे। 13 नवंबर 2019 को न्यायाधीश मोहम्मद रफीक को मेघालय हाई कोर्ट का मुख्य न्यायाधीश बनाया गया। उसके बाद 27 अप्रैल 2020 को इन्होंने उड़ीसा हाई कोर्ट में मुख्य न्यायाधीश का पद संभाला। इसी साल 3 जनवरी 2021 को मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट के मुख्य न्यायाधीश के रूप में शपथ भी ली। वहीं अब उनका तबादला हिमाचल हाई कोर्ट में मुख्य न्यायाधीश के रूप में किया गया है।